guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use my Changio software. So Changio is a software that allows you to edit, update, and change virtually any web page on the internet. With Changio, you can create a new page from an existing one, you can modify an existing page and update it, or you can even run split tests by having multiple versions of the same page. So let me go ahead and show you how to get started with Changio. As you can see, I'm logged into my Changio account, and you might notice that I use Changio not only for my own personal landing page, but also for the Changio sales page. The Changio sales page was actually created with Changio. What we did was took one of our existing sales pages for a different product and changed it to make it the Changio sales page. And what was great about that is it was actually much faster than coding the page by hand, and even people that didn't know how to code could edit the page as well. So let me go ahead and create a new page to show you how this works. And for this example, I'm just going to enter in the URL of one of my business partners' websites, Mike from Maine. So I'm going to call this Mike's page, and I'm going to enter in the URL for his site. Now, as I said, this is one of my business partners' websites. I do not have access to this website. However, access is not needed with Changio because, as I said before, Changio will work with virtually any web page on the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save New. And the next thing I want to do is go ahead and edit this page. So I'll go ahead and click this little icon right here that says Edit. And Changio will pull his page into the Changio software. So you can see I'm actually still inside of the Changio dashboard, but I now have Mike's web page inside of this dashboard. And what I can do now is right click on any element inside of the page, and this will bring up the edit box, which will allow me to edit that element. So I can change things like text, I can change things like colors, I can change links, I can change graphics, or I can add new elements if I want to, simply by clicking on the Add Element button. I can add new images, I can add new text, new buttons, or even custom code. And in this way, I can change, update, and remake this page to be however I like. For example, if I wanted to go ahead and change this text right here, I would simply right click on it and then just type in the new text inside of this box. So let's go ahead and change this and say Changio is awesome. You should check it out. Now I'll go ahead and close this now that the text has been edited. I'll leave the text black because I just like the look of that. And instead, now what I'll do is I'll click on this click here button. Now I want to go ahead and change the text for this. And I'm going to say, see Changio. Let's change this to try Changio now. And what I want to do now is move up and select the parent. And I can change the link URL to go to the Changio website. And I'll go ahead and close that. And I can edit any of the elements on this page that I want. I can delete elements if I don't like them. I can add new elements if I want. I can adjust the elements. I can basically build a new page from this starting point. What this means is you can find any web page on the internet that you like the layout of, and you can build a new page from it. Or you can take any of your existing web pages and edit them without ever needing to hire a programmer or a coder. This will save you thousands of dollars in fees. You can also create multiple versions of your web page and split test if you like. Changio puts you in control of your web page like never before, in a way that has only ever been available to professional developers. And now you can do it all too without needing to know any code whatsoever. Once I have everything done the way I like, I'll go ahead and click on Save. Page will save, and I'll exit back to the dashboard. I now have a couple of options. You can see right now it's deactivated. And the reason it's deactivated is because I haven't activated this page yet. I haven't pushed it live to the site. If I want to push it live to the site, I can go ahead and activate it simply by clicking on this link. and adding the Changio code to the web page. The other options I have are to download the new page as a file or to use the built-in Changio hosting that is provided for all the pages that you create. Changio not only empowers you and basically makes you a professional developer, it gives you tons of options on how to use the pages that you create and edit with the software.